While it's true that cars inherently carry a cost, but there are those that soar to unparalleled levels of luxury and price, reserved for the richest. So here are the 10 most expensive and rare cars of all time. The spirit of NEMO, celebrated by aficionados of the film, the League of Extraordinary Gentlemen, is more than just a cinematic fantasy. It's a fully realized, functional marvel. Crafted by the esteemed but lesser-known custom car builder Ken Freeman, whose workshop nestles in the mountains of western North Carolina, this extraordinary vehicle breathes life into Captain Nemo's iconic 24-foot-long convertible from the movie. Against expectations for movie props, Freeman's ingenuity transformed the spirit of NEMO into more than just an exhibit. It's a street-capable Leviathan, powered by a robust 425 cubic inch V8 engine, featuring surprisingly adept handling for its six-wheel, quad-front steering design, despite its gargantuan length. Mirroring Captain Nemo's inventive spirit, the car's frame repurposes steel beams from a dismantled bridge, while carbon fiber and Kevlar reinforcements ensure its durability. Ironically, despite its sturdy build meant to last through ages, the spirit of NEMO found its way to eBay, where it fetched a handsome sum, proving that life, or perhaps more accurately the market, truly does find a way. Stepping away from the past and plunging into the most recent generation of luxury, we're greeted by the tantalizing Maybach EXELERO 2008. Imagined and brought to life by elite car creator Maybach, the EXELERO made its remarkable debut in May 2005. This high-performance sports car ticks all the right boxes. It boasts a staggering 700 horsepower bi-turbo V12 engine nestled within, marking it as a one-of-a-kind model. Conceptualized originally to display the tire line's potential, the EXELERO comfortably exceeded expectations by roaring to a top speed of over 218 miles per hour. It achieved this feat despite its substantial weight, tipping the scales at a hefty 2.66 tons. Seemingly defying the laws of physics, it accelerates with breathtaking briskness from 0–60 in just 4.4 seconds. And weaving an even more compelling narrative, the design of the EXELERO results from an innovative competition conducted amongst university students, introducing fresh perspectives to the world of automotive design. If you ever dreamt of owning one, prepare to offload a solid $7 million, a seemingly high price tag, but perhaps a small fee for a masterpiece on wheels. How would one define a rare car, such as the Renault TREZOR, that is so elusive not even billionaires can own one? Cars like these are often characterized by their limited production runs and unique identities. An excellent example of this is Renault's concept car unveiled in 2016. This car represented a new wave of models, heralded by Renault as embodying a fresh, vibrant renewal. Each model was assertive in its identity, including the TREZOR, projecting a fresh life cycle sequence that signaled the company's forward momentum. What makes the Renault TREZOR special is that it was born from an unbridled expression of creativity and was considered a pioneer for upcoming auto design trends. These trends span two main categories: French design and the easy life concept. The TREZOR is not just any car. It is aerodynamically efficient with a drag coefficient of only 22, making it highly fuel efficient. Yet, unlike other fuel-efficient cars, it doesn't even burn fuel. The TREZOR is an all-electric vehicle. However, the overall scarcity of the Renault TREZOR is primarily due to it still being a concept car. It was forecasted to launch in 2020, but no substantial progress has been reported since then. As a result, it remains unattainable, even for the wealthiest. Following the phenomenal success of the Jaguar XK120, the automaker quickly started developing the C-Type, its endurance racing incarnation. This marked the commencement of Jaguar's maiden racing initiative, specifically tailored to secure victories at the prestigious 24-hour Le Mans race. In an impressive testament to its engineering, the C-Type emerged victorious in the 1951 race after just 6 weeks from its completion, with a driving team of Peter Walker and Peter Whitehead. Jaguar replicated this feat in 1953, with Duncan Hamilton and Tony Rolt steering the victorious vehicle, demonstrating the high stakes associated with Le Mans for auto manufacturers, due to which they're willing to design entirely new models to claim the trophy. Historically, one could own these machines for a modest price of approximately $6,200. But one of these non-winning race cars was auctioned off for a staggering $13 million in today's era, showcasing a striking contrast in its value across different times. After much anticipation, we've arrived at a significant milestone in the prestigious lineage of Porsche, the Porsche 917. This isn't just another model from the famed automaker. It's an iconic representation of excellence and engineering prowess. Known for its remarkable performance at the legendary Le Mans race, the Porsche 917 marked the beginning of Porsche's dominance in this high-stakes event. With its astonishing capability to reach speeds of up to 246 miles per hour at a time when the intricacies of aerodynamics were still being unraveled, the 917 stood out as a testament to superior design and power. Powered by a formidable flat-12 engine, the 917 was notoriously challenging to master. However, for those skilled enough to harness its might, victory was almost a certainty. Adding to its legacy, one of these remarkable vehicles, which had graced the silver screen in the Steve McQueen film Le Mans, fetched upwards of $16 million at a 2021 auction, further cementing its status as a piece of automotive history. The 1957 Jaguar XKSS, an extraordinary piece of automotive history, was once presented at an auction, fetching a surprisingly hefty price. It commanded a staggering sum of around $18 million after bidding concluded, a testament to its rarity and overall appeal. You may find this surprising, but with the right audience, this classic car garnered a fitting price due to its upgraded advancements. The X was a refined version of its predecessor, boasting a new, larger windscreen, passenger side door, the convenience of a folding soft top, and extra luxury trim coupled with a luggage grid. What rockets its value skywards is not only the refined modification, but also its gripping history. An unfortunate fire incident at the factory saw the destruction of 25 completed models, leaving only an estimated 16 in existence. This vehicle, thus, represents a fascinating story of rarity, cutting-edge design, and daring revolution, making it a worthy investment and ultimately yielding a significant return. It's hardly shocking that the Porsche 550 Spyder sits prominently at the pinnacle of iconic vehicles. After all, legends like James Dean were among the few who possessed this gem. This car boasted an impressive 1,500 cc's for cam engine nestled within its simple, yet efficiently designed tubular chassis, complemented by a torsion bar suspension. With a mere weight of slightly above 1,200 pounds, the Spyder delivered extraordinary performance and nimbleness, making it a coveted treasure for those with a penchant for velocity. On the rarity and value scale, this is reflected in its price tag. A SPYDER auction this year fetched a staggering sum above $4 million. Given that a scant 90 units were ever crafted, acquiring one is truly a remarkable accomplishment. The DRAKO GTE exemplifies the intersection of exclusivity and exceptional capability in the automotive sphere. Far from being merely a collector's item, this electric sedan distinguishes itself by braving conditions that would typically be the undoing of similar vehicles. DRAKO Motors put the GTE to an extraordinary test, tasking it to conquer the continental divide in the dead of winter. Not designed as a dedicated winter vehicle, the GTE nevertheless climbed to dizzying heights of 8,500 feet, sporting studded tires and defying the freezing temperatures. Behind the wheel was none other than racer Andy Pilgrim, who piloted the car to Steamboat Springs, Colorado, to put its high-speed snow handling to the test. Instead of the expected failure and ensuing online ridicule, the sedan pulled off impressive drifts across the icy surfaces with aplomb. Powered by 4 electric motors, the DRAKO GTE boasts 1,200 horsepower and 6,491 foot-pounds of torque, designed for extreme terrains and high altitudes. Yet, its rarity and power come at a cost. With only 25 units were made and a price of $1.2 million each, making it a coveted yet scarce prize among wealthy buyers. Securing a DRAKO GTE is a prestigious achievement for the lucky few. The CZINGER 21C clearly establishes itself as an elite hypercar, melding eye-inspiring looks with performance capabilities that break lap records. It's not just another entrant in the hypercar arena. The minds behind it aim to trailblaze in the automotive world. Its heart is a twin-turbo 2.9-liter V8, producing 950 horsepower, bolstered by an electrical system, adding up to 100 more on the rear, and dual electric motors on the front wheels, culminating in a 1,350 horsepower beast. This power pushes the 21C beyond 280 miles per hour. Unique to its build is the use of 3D printed metal parts, a hint at the innovative potential of its creators. With a $2 million price tag and a scarce 80 units set to roll out in 2023, it's an exclusive opportunity for enthusiasts, while others might prefer waiting for the subsequent model and its promised new advancements. Starting off differently, let's dive into the price first. Securing a Gordon Murray T33 will set you back a cool $1.85 million. Surprisingly, in the world of ultra-exclusive automobiles, this is considered a deal. The T33 is the budget sibling of the elusive T50, which demands a hefty $2.5 million, a figure that most certainly thins the wallet. Its relatively lower price is an attempt by its creators to reach a broader market, shedding $750,000 off its predecessor's tag. Price aside, the T33 doesn't skimp on prowess. Its V12 engine remains, despite shedding some features from the T50. Prioritizing function, the T33 assures that every element serves a purpose, avoiding the common trap of needlessly cluttering with bells and whistles. It's far from the world's cheapest ride, but every inch of the T33 is designed to perform with panache.